Hello everyone and welcome back. We are the Lemonades. Today we're going to be doing the force trick. And while doing this, we are going to have fun. Even though some of us, we don't like math, but that's okay. We're going to learn something new today. Or you maybe already know it and this is just a refresher. So first we're just going to start off with something easy. How about 4 times 4? So 4, 4, 4, and 4. You can say 4, 8, 10, 12. Or you might not know that yet, so you want to go 4 plus 4 is 8, and then I want to do 8 plus 8. Because I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, and then I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, and so I have to add 8 plus 8, and that's 16. So that's the way you can do it. But another way you can do it is counting by a song. But we are going to do that in the end of the video because songs are fun and we want to save the best for last. And so now we're going to be doing, how about we're going to warm up a little bit. How about 4 times 8? So we have 4, 4, 4, and 4. 4, 4, 4, and 4. So it's 4 and 4, 4 and 4, 4 and 4, 4 and 4. And I know that 4 and 4 is 8, 4 and 4 is 8, 4 and 4 is 8, 4 and 4 is 8. So I can do 4. I know if this is 16, I know this is 16, and so I can do 16 plus 16, which is 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3. If you need help on adding and you don't get this, the one thingy-bobber and like the carryovers, make sure you go check out that, the addition video and you will understand it better. Alright, so now that we have warmed up now, I want to inform you guys on some try problems. I know you're like, well, every video you watch, you warm us up with problems, and then you give us them to solve, and then you only solve half of them. Well, actually, we're not going to do this time. I'm only going to give you a challenge. What you need to know. Challenge, and challenge. So there's going to be 3 of these, 2 of these, and 1 of these. So what I need to know is like 4 times 8, 4 times 7, and 4 times, let's just say 12. And then let's do 4 times 11, 4 times 6. And I can, you need to know at least 4 times 0, and carries on until you need to know at least 0 through 12 per number in 2nd or 3rd grade. 2nd and 3rd grade. Because now they're switching it up where you're starting to learn in 2nd grade. 2nd grade, you kind of need to know 0 through 5, 0 through 6, but in 3rd grade you need 0 through 12. So I want you guys to try this. If you don't want to try it, that's totally fine, but if you want to try it, I'd recommend you go grab a paper and pad. Or paper, pad, whiteboard, whatever you have, paper and pen, paper and pencil, whatever you want to grab. And if you don't want to try it, try to follow along and just wait the 10 seconds out and I'll explain it all. And here's how there's 10 seconds. Alright, that has concluded our 10 seconds. If you need more time, pause the video. Alright, now we're going to do the challenges. So, challenges are going to be 4 times 26 and 4 times 48. Now these you do not need to know yet. For third and second, third grade, you're pretty good off with 0 through 12. Maybe your teacher wants to extend it a little bit to like four times and a little bit more. But they're not gonna go they're gonna go maybe this high, but it's not gonna be maybe a standard, or you maybe don't want to know it, or maybe you need to know it. It depends what school you go to. I want you guys to try to solve these, and then I'm gonna give you the hardest of them all. This is the challenge. So I'm going to give you a hard challenge. It's 4 times 500, or let's do something different. What you usually do, 779. Yes, that worked. Actually, you know what? I'm feeling pretty funny today, or pretty good today, but I kind of want to play a meme right here, and we'll just do 769. There you go. For all you memers out there, there's your 69 you guys have been waiting for. Now I'll give you guys a few seconds to pause the video, and try to solve them. Alright, if you haven't paused the video yet, pause it if you need more time. If you're not going to do these two, then don't do it. But these two are going to be in the description, and then this one we're going to solve together. Yay! If you have any questions on the description ones, then you can go check out our comment section and comment it down below, and we will help you. Now we're gonna move this to the side and get our paper and pen out. The first problem we're gonna do is, hopefully you've done it, or you haven't, we're going to do it together. We already did 4 times 8. Let's say, I know my 8s, but I don't really trust them. So I'm just gonna do my 4s, because that's what we're learning here anyways. So 4, 8, 10, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 32 was our answer. So, or maybe you're like, you know what, I'm very comfortable with my 8s. You know what, why can't I do my 8s? So maybe you know your 8s really well. So you can do 8, 16, 24, 32. It's faster, but if you don't know your 8s, 4 are totally okay too. And anyways, that's what we're learning in this video anyways. So the next thing we are gonna happily do is we are gonna be doing 4 times 7. And then, so we can do the 4s again, which is 4. Maybe you know your 4 times 8 ring. I know my 4 times 8 really, really well. So you're like, you know what, I'm just gonna do that. And so you can take your 32 and minus it by 4. And you're like, you know what, I know this really well. So I'm just gonna do 2. I feel really good with multiplication or subtraction today. And so I'm just gonna do this. This is so much easier, and I'm gonna do that. That's fine. Or you could do 4, 12, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 25, 2. Or you can do 7, 14, 21, 28. Maybe there's another way. If you have another way, make sure to share it in the comments. Now we can do 4 times 12. So the 12s are pretty hard. I'm going to show you 3 ways for this one. The first one is I know 4 times 10. It's obviously 40. I know my 10s pretty well, so that's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go like that, and I know 4 times 10 is 40. But 4 times 2, I think it's 8. Yeah, it's 8. Definitely 8. So it's 0 times 0 plus 8, and then 4 plus 0. So now we got 48. Or you can be like, you know what? I don't know what, I'm feeling super good at my 4s today. Alright, actually gave you guys too many problems, so I'm gonna give you the other answers in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a very good day. So the answers I'm gonna give you in the description are gonna be these, the numbers that I'm not erasing. Those are the ones that I'm gonna put in the description, and 0 or 4 times 0, which I forgot to add. So make sure also the challenges and these are all going to be in the description, so check out your answers below. Thank you guys again, and have a great blessed day.